Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I got another work from home job opportunity. But as always, before I get into that, if you're looking for a way to earn some quick, easy money while you're waiting to get that work from home job, check out the $50 side hustle. Link is in the description of this video. It is a YouTube video and it'll walk you through the steps on how you can start making quick, easy money. All right. So now to this work from home job opportunity. This comes from a company called Clerky. Clerky, right? Never heard of this company, but they are currently looking for content writers. So if you have a passion to write, if you really enjoy writing or got a writing background, you might want to check this out. Now, keeping it real, if you get hired at Clerky, all right, you're only going to have to work, which could be a good or a bad thing, but they only want 5 to 15 hours a week, right? And you'll be writing anything from blog posts, white papers, social media posts, and newsletters. And it might even have other stuff. So if you feel comfortable with doing stuff like that, or you got a background in that, and you're looking for some money, you know, some extra income, you could apply right now to Clerky. All right, so that's it. I'll put a link below. Comment and let me know if you apply for this position. If you get the job, come back and share your experience and let other people know how it was for you. Yeah, not sure about the pay. All right, couldn't find how much you make, but I'm assuming working 5 to 15 hours. I mean, come on, y'all gotta at least do what, 10 to 15 an hour, maybe 20. I don't know. All right, but that's another work from home job opportunity. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe because you see I'm bringing that content. Till the next time, peace.